Saul's Autotek in Greenwood Village, Colorado, and today we're standing inside this 2004 Ford F-150. Now this vehicle came to us from Nebraska and came in over the weekend with the complaint that when he turned on his headlight switch, the turn signals and the air conditioning failed to operate. Now that's a pretty unique combination of problems to have, but before we actually tore into any piece or part of the vehicle, we started looking at wiring diagrams and determined that one specific area, the G8 ground location, is a common ground for all of those accessories on the vehicle. So we went ahead and pulled the panels to get access to the ground, and this is what we found. The actual ground location where these wires come out is literally bolted to a piece of rust. There's nothing left of the actual bolts or the hole where it should mount into the vehicle. There's so much corrosion and rust in the vehicle that pieces and parts were literally breaking away as we pulled it open. So we discovered that not only were we accurate in our assumption based on what symptoms the vehicle was experiencing, and now we know we simply need to get a ground repaired to get those operational, but we were able to find structural repair damage due to improper repairs that allowed moisture to get inside this frame. As a result, specifically because it's in Nebraska, a much more humid area than we are here in Colorado, corrosion was able to take hold and grow inside this body. So literally like a cancer, this has destroyed the inside of this truck, including the interior of the body, the floor pans, and several safety aspects of it. We're really glad we were able to find this, and we'll be able to route our client into the best possible recommendation for a repair, because this simply isn't safe. At least temporarily, we'll be able to get the accessories that they wanted back together so they can be operational and get home. But now they know that it may be time to do a major repair to keep this guy on the road in the future, or it may be time to cut this guy loose if simply that corrosion has gone too far. Keep in mind that at Saul's Autotek, we always have your safety in mind. So whether you come in for a small concern about your headlight or your air conditioner, we always want to make sure that we prioritize your safety number one. So we went ahead and brought the owner in so we could show them exactly what's going on with their vehicle so they can make an accurate decision using that informed information. We've got your back here at Saul's Autotek, 7 days a week, 303-919-7769. Come and see us.